I picked up a new F-16. I'll unbox later. Gonna see if there's any fighter jets at all. And I'm just gonna fly. Headphones on just in case. I'm actually using my sister's because mine always keeps disappearing, but I see something coming in the distance, fans. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a plane taking off. It's my window so you guys can get a better view. The sun's in my face. There's a little plane there. He's taking off. You can find him on Plane Tracker if you can right now. Of course, I can't. So the plane, I don't see any same thing all over again, but here he comes, he's coming right over us. That's not a good idea. There he is, he just took off. I think that's a suspect plane. So let's see if we can look for them again. There he is, he's all up there, he just left Austin's trouble. I just have to close my window because the sun's always here, but I got a better view of seeing the aircrafts now. Ooh, two nice big, not fighter jets, private jets. They would be somewhere around here, but if they don't arrive today, then it's okay. We could just see them tomorrow because tomorrow's the flyover. I just have my earplugs on just in case if they come or not. Open the window again. There's a plane, there's two little planes, and then there's that plane over there. Again, sorry if I'm closing my window, opening, closing, opening, closing, open. It's because the sun's burning me. Look, there's more planes over there. You know, there's no fighter jets today, but it's still cool seeing all this stuff. It's like a behind the scenes tour. Turns out this actually probably isn't private property. You can just drive here as long as you don't park here. Something apparently in the distance that I saw. There's a plane in the garage. There's something shining in the distance. Sadly, I don't see any fighter jets. But I do see something coming in the distance. If I know what it is. But yeah, we tried 2 times, none. Come to see if they would practice or not, but there's none. I did hear one of the fighter jets, I think. Probably flying around somewhere, but we gave it our best shot, so bye.